Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the Tech Share. Today's tip, something that we all can use, right? And here it is. Let's pretend I have all these tabs open at the top of my browser. And if you're like me, a lot of times you'll be going through and you might be closing things and you'll be like, oh, I wish I didn't do that. I really, really need it. How am I going to get it back? I mean, yeah, you could type the URL back in, but here's a nice little keyboard shortcut for you. If you are on your PC, what you want to do is hold down the Shift key and the Control key and the letter T. And if you're on a Mac, you want to hold down the Shift key, the Command key, and the letter T. And when you do that, you can see that my tabs in my browser start returning that I might have accidentally closed. So again, just three simple keys that you need to remember: Shift, Control, and T. That will be on a PC, or Shift, Command, and T on your Mac, and you'll be able to bring your tabs back from the dead, so to speak. So there's your tip for today. Give that one a shot. See what you think. Share it with your friends. It's a hidden feature that not a lot of people are aware of. Until next time, we'll be seeing you. Bye-bye.